This is Code Olympics 2026. For that, I have built Privacy Redactor. So first of all, take a look of my 4D challenge. I have got few variable hero, that maximum 8 named variable in the entire program, being compact coder less than equal to 150 lines of code, text processing is a domain, and language is Python. So the Privacy Redactor, a Python security tool that act as a pipe between your raw production log and anywhere you have shared them publicly. Developers accidentally leak AWS keys, password, and email into Stack and Chat GPT every single day. This tool catches everything before it leaves your machine. Zero dependencies, 103 lines, 5 variables. Let me show you. So without wasting the time, let us go on the terminal, and I am inside the folder in which I have written the code. So let me do first ls. So you can see there are only 4 files: readme.md, Python file, 2 test input, clean.txt and log.txt. You can also see the content of these. You can see this is the main file, and log.txt contain the important information like secret key, access key. You can see here. And clean.txt contain clean data. It does not have any secret. There is no secret in this file. So let us go back again to the terminal. Let us run command cat log.txt. When we run this command, you can see here that this is realistic development log. It contains live AWS access key, internal IP address, 2 email addresses, and a credit card number. This is exactly what get pasted into bug trackers and AI chat windows every day. Let's run through. So let us run the command. So when I run this command, you can see that Privacy Redactor text diff original, it is dangerous as there is internal database IP, access key, secret key. You can see the email addresses and the credit card number. So redacted has converted this into this, that internal database IP address is not shown here. It is converted to this AWS key, secret key, email and credit card. All these are not shown. So leaks are being neutralized in it. Neutralized. Now this is safe to share. So now let me clear the terminal first. Now we will run. This is a real developer workflow, no file needed. Pipe any command output directly through the redactor. Cat a log, curl an API, tail a server, pipe it through, and it's sanitized before it touches your clipboard, as you can see from here. So now let us test this with the clean file that has no such sensitive information. So you can see we have seen this clean file which has no such sensitive information. Here, this file. So you can see in the terminal the input is already clean. It has not detected such any sensitive information. It work on raw strings also. Suppose you have pasted this. This time we have not attached a file. We are passing directly. It will work on this also. It can detect raw files, raw data also. If you are going to provide that, it will pipe into it. We are going to see the error handling thing also. If you are passing the file which does not exist, so it will safely exit from it, stating that file does not found. So it is handling error also. Our tool does not crash if the file is not found. It safely and clearly exit from that. With this command, when we run this, you can see in the redactor.py, which is our main file, only 103 lines are there. Our budget was up to 150 lines, so we are satisfying the constraint of lines also. Code we are going to paste here, and you can see in our whole program there are 5 variables. We have constraint up to 8. We have used only 5 variables, satisfying the constraint again. When we are going to run this command, you can see the input is already clean and there is no error free. Privacy Redactor, 103 lines, 5 variables, 0 dependencies, caches AWS keys, credit cards, email, internal IPs, password, PEM keys, SSNs and JWT tokens. Pipe anything through it, it's clean on other side. The constraint was the design. With this, I would like to wind up. Thank you.